Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today we are going to talk about guys Tecno phone guys app lock setting, and today video title guys how to disable app lock. Friends, you don't want to use app lock setting, you want to disable, so how to disable it today friends I will show you, I will tell you guys. Friends, now let's see how to disable app lock in Tecno phone. Friends, first of all, open your phone setting to disable your app lock setting. After on phone setting, friends, you can see this type of interface. So, friends, you can disable guys two methods your app lock. First, guys, click on your phone security setting, app lock setting. Guys, draw your app lock password, and friends, you want to forget your app lock password, so you will have to enter guys your security question. So, friends, I know the password. Draw it. Friends, you can see setting option, and friends, you want to lock any app, so you can lock and unlock. So as my app lock is enabled, you can see enable app lock, but guys I want to disable, I don't want to use. So how to disable it? So friends, click on right side option. Friends, you can see turn off setting is, click here to disable app lock. Friends, you can see app lock will disable. You can see guys when I use my app lock, friends, you can see I will have to set up again my app lock setting. Friends, you can see I will draw new pattern for my app lock, and a security question guys you can set from here, and you can use your app lock setting. And guys you don't want to use, guys click on setting option, enable app lock, disable, tap here to disable it. So friends, you can see we don't have any app lock in Technophone device guys. We don't have any lock on apps, so like that guys we can disable app lock in Technophone device. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Friends, do you have any doubt related to guys your app lock setting, you can ask me in comment section, I will check, I will help you. Bye bye guys.